You can reduce or eliminate many mistakes in your production planning or maintenance or your operations or process changes by having a firm grasp and understanding of what your production and process data really is. There are many important steps throughout the LBL process. There are specific, significant amounts of data that can be gathered and analyzed. That data may be as simple as log diameters, peeling speeds, veneer temperature, or as in-depth as veneer visual grades. In many cases, process data can be used to trigger many maintenance actions, from cycle counts on a veneer stacker to signal or monitor cylinder wear, to scarfing line piece count, highlighting saw usage, to maybe the length of veneer peeled on a single lathe knife to show when that should be changed. All this data allows us to understand how you are using your raw material and if you are maximizing the potential. By gathering data from these analyzers and being able to use the analytics within mill sites, you can clearly see changes in processes or deviations from what our predictable outcomes should be. Our mill sites platform can be utilized on all machines we provide, from our R3 series through to our R7s, to acquire, analyze, and interpret production and process data throughout your entire factory. When coupled with intelligent data from Raute's sophisticated analyzers, the control over your processes grows far and wide.